equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged and has been turned off. Safety is paramount. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. You might notice some dust or debris inside the compartment. It's a good idea to clean this area with a soft cloth before proceeding. This will ensure that your new battery fits snugly and operates efficiently. Now, you can see the battery connected to the vacuum. There are usually 2 clips holding the battery in place. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips away from the battery. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage any surrounding components. With the clips released, you can now carefully pull the battery out of its compartment. Take your new compatible battery and align it with the connectors inside the vacuum. Push it in firmly until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely in place. Before replacing the panel, it's wise to check the connections to ensure everything is seated correctly. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, replace the panel by aligning it back into position and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure the panel is flush against the vacuum to prevent any dust from entering. Tighten the screws gently but firmly, ensuring they are not over-tightened, which could strip the screws. Once the panel is secured, give your Dyson SV12 a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's always nice to have a clean vacuum. Finally, plug in your Dyson and turn it on to test the new battery. If everything is working correctly, you're all set. If you encounter any issues, remember we provide a quote before repair, so you can make an informed decision on how to proceed. And there you have it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your Dyson SV12. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your fingertips. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.